In this video, you will see how to make page 1 of 2 in Word document like this. It's very easy. Let's get started. To insert page 1 of 2 in Word document, go up to Insert option and under the Insert tab, you will see here page number. Click on the drop down menu and you will see the two options. Either you can number the pages at the top or at the bottom. For now, I will select top of a page and will select the page number centered aligned. If you see this error, right click on it and click on toggle field codes and the error will be gone. Now to make page 1 of 2, just click after the page number, type / on your keyboard and type 2. After typing, click inside the body of the document and now you will see that we have inserted 1 of 2, and if we go to the second page you will see that it is appearing 2 of 2. Click on that like button to tell YouTube that this video is useful. Comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem, and don't forget to subscribe.